Like, ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you.
Hey y'all, and welcome back to another Wednesday with me, Lee of Wine Time with Lee. First of all, I want to say thank you to Pawpaw for these beautiful flowers that he gave to me. Perfect for the fall. Look at this beautiful eye look. I'm going to share with you how I created this absolutely gorgeous eye look. But if this is your first time on my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. If not, welcome back. Now, let's get into this look. Okay, I'm going to apologize now for the filming of this because I tried a different angle on my camera and I did not like the way this turned out. However, I went ahead and concealed my eyes with the Tarte Ultra Creamy Concealer, and then I went ahead and started with my first transition color from the Born to Run palette, and the name of that color is Punk. So with this look, we're going to build it in the V shape. Each color I'm going to apply it in that same V shape. The next color you'll see me apply is from the Jaclyn Hill Volume 1 palette, and the color is called Jax. And after that, the color is called Hunts. So basically what you see me doing is applying the colors on top of one another slightly with a light gentle touch, just making sure they're blending seamlessly, not looking muddy, but a smooth transition of each color. Next, I'm going to go in and cut my crease slightly with the CoverGirl concealer in the shade Bronze. And the reason I say slightly is because I'm just using that concealer to make sure the eyeshadow that I place on pops. And the color eyeshadow that I'm putting on is from the Urban Decay palette, and the first color is Ignite. It's a goldy bronze color. The second color is called Stranded. It is also from the Urban Decay palette. Once the two golds are applied, I'll go back in with the color Hunts right at the very top just to make sure that the color is still there and true to tone, because you know sometimes as you put one tone on, the other one will kind of wash away. Then I'll also go back and I'll put in Punk, the first color that I applied, and I'll make sure that it transitions well with Ignite so that it gives a seamless blend right there on that outer V. And I'm going to also go back in with Jax as well, just to make sure that I don't lose any of that color payoff that I received from initially putting them on as well. Right there you saw me go in with the color Hunts again, right on top of that Ignite color as well, because I want to make sure that I can see all three of my tones as well. Now, what you will notice is that you don't see the actual cut crease, because I did get rid of that and I went over the line when I placed on those two gold tones, because I wanted this to look like just a gold eye, not a cut crease. Okay, so when I did my gel eyeliner, yeah, there was nothing but that black hair tie in focus on the camera. So I did get partial of me doing my liquid eyeliner. So this is what you got here. Now what I do wish is that I went up a little bit further on my liquid eyeliner, but hey, this is what it is. Okay, and now here comes the fun part, face makeup. Baby, today I decided to do two different foundations, okay? I know what I was thinking, just tried it. Went in, tap, 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 blop, blop, blop. That's what we got. Put it on, right? Took my makeup brush. It's a Makeup Professionals, I think it's number 30 or 27. Went ahead, blended that in seamlessly. Looking good, looking good. Yeah. Oh, and I did plop on those eyelashes, as you can see. Looked real nice. Looked real nice. And as you know from a previous video, I do not put foundation under my eyes. I go ahead and put my concealer under my eyes. Yeah, Maybelline Rewind. And once I do that, I go ahead and blend that in. And then once we do that blending in, we go ahead and do what? You guys should know this step by now. Like, really, come on. We watch how many of these videos? At this point, we all should be pros. You got it. Concealer. How many of you guessed right? If you got it right, leave me a comment below. Plop on your concealer. And after you plop on your concealer, what's next? I'm going to start asking y'all the steps. See if y'all paying attention when y'all watching the actual videos. But this is what I was talking about. You see how my head is down and the way my angle of my camera? I hate that. I'm so mad at myself. I didn't catch that sooner. I didn't catch it until afterwards. So like you really can't see what I'm doing. I'm so sorry, ladies and gentlemen. But hey, you can see those beautiful eyes. We keep going though. We press on. We press on. Now we go ahead and plop those dots on for that contour. And we move along. Now y'all see my mouth moving, baby. I am talking down to my sister, okay? I cannot remember what that conversation was about, but it was a good conversation apparently, okay? Anywho, what do y'all have planned for tomorrow? How many of y'all are actually cooking tonight? Like actually cooking Thanksgiving dinner tonight? How many of y'all have already started decorating for Christmas? I think I am ready for Christmas. I have already started decorating for Christmas, and I am happy that my kids have come home for Thanksgiving break because the house is a lot more busier now. I am also thankful that I get to rest a little bit because my husband is also home for break. So we got a honey-do list of things that he gets to do as well. What are some things that you guys are thankful for this Thanksgiving? And what are your Christmas plans? You know, I plan on being home more than likely. Kind of wish I was going out of town, but hey, that's just not in the cards for right now. Oh, and I want to give a happy birthday shout out to Erin. Happy birthday. Today is your birthday. Happy 40th, right? Welcome to the 40/40 Club. And so maybe you should be doing makeup today. It's a good day to do makeup. All right. Back to the video. Now, what you see me doing here is dusting off that powder, that setting powder on my face. But I can't concentrate because my eyes look like they are glowing, don't they? Like this look to me was so pretty and just electrifying, but yet simple. It was something very easy to do, very easy on the eyes. It wasn't so detailed. That's why I didn't want to do a cut crease, because I didn't want to make it hard. I wanted to make it something easy that anybody could accomplish. And I think anybody can accomplish this eye look. It's not difficult. I wish my head was up a little bit more in the video so that you guys could actually see more of what I was doing. But I hope you get the point. I hope you get exactly what I was trying to do. So here I'm just trying to contour my nose out just a little bit more detailed. I'm using the bronzer, of course, the Juvia's Place bronzer. I believe. No, I'm sorry. I wasn't using that. I was using the Bare Minerals cocoa powder. Now I'm using Juvia's Place to sculpt my nose. I was using that to sculpt my nose. Now I'm using my favorite Juvia's Place. And now I'm going to go in with my Mented powder, and I'm going to try to, get that jawline nice and defined. You know how we like to do in our makeup looks when we're going somewhere. So if you're going somewhere tonight, if you're going somewhere to a Thanksgiving party today or tomorrow, I'm sorry, not today. Tomorrow, Thanksgiving. Some people might be going somewhere tonight, it's a Wednesday, day before, I don't know. But if you're going somewhere for Thanksgiving, then this is the perfect look to wear out. Now we're going to go ahead and clean some of this up from the jawline and go ahead and add in our blush. Now what I like about this blush is that it's kind of dual tone as a highlighter as well, because it's like an orange goldish looking color, and I thought it went very perfect with the eyeshadow. I picked this up from Sephora, and the name of it is Hot Flush. It is the Sephora brand, but it's very pretty. It comes off very easily, so you don't have to tap it very hard in order to get a good color payoff. And baby, as you can see, I used it everywhere the sun does shine. Okay. I also want to tell you that I'm thankful for my YouTube subscribers, those that have been very vocal in commenting and sharing and watching my videos. I definitely appreciate you guys. It means a lot to me. I try to make sure I get back with each and every one of you, heart your comments or like your comments and read your comments, just to let you know that I'm here. We are a family, we are a community, and we're striving to grow. So, again, I appreciate you and thank you. Let me know in the comments if there's anything else that you would like to see on this YouTube channel as far as makeup or DIYs and small projects. Hey, all right now, look at here. What? You can't tell me nothing. When I tell you I really was not expecting for this to look as pretty as it does, I was not. So listen, y'all make sure y'all like and y'all share and y'all comment, okay? Y'all leave me some comments and let me know if I can improve or whatever, okay? And come on back now, you hear? All right, ciao.
Like